We'll guide you through how to edit speed in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, launch the CapCut desktop software on your personal computer to begin your editing session. Click the Sign In button located specifically in the top left corner of the primary interface. Choose the Sign In with Google option to ensure a fast and efficient login process. Select the specific Google account you wish to use for your creative work now. Click Continue on the Access Permission screen to proceed with the authorization. Select Open CapCut within your browser window to return directly back to the software application. Confirm you're logged in to access all the useful cloud features and save projects. Click the Create Project button to open the main editing workspace for your new video. Select the Import button to add your raw footage or other material to the library. Navigate carefully through your local folders to locate the specific media files you need for this project. Select the video files you intend to edit today by clicking on them individually. Click Open to successfully bring those assets into your project's media library for easy access. Click and drag your media files directly onto your editing timeline at the bottom of the screen. Click on the speed option located within the right top corner menu of the workspace, and adjust your video speed to make the footage either faster or slower, depending on your needs. Review your timeline carefully to ensure the text timing is accurate and matches your visual edits. Click the Export button in the top right corner area when you are ready to finalize everything. Set your resolution to 1080p within the settings to maintain high-definition quality for your viewers. Adjust the bitrate to a higher setting for maximum clarity and better overall visual detail. Choose H.264 as your codec for maximum device compatibility and smooth playback across different platforms. Select MP4 as your output format to achieve a good balance between quality and file size. Set your frame rate to 60 frames per second for smooth, high-performance playback that looks professional. Click Export at the bottom of the export window to begin the rendering process. Wait for the progress bar to finish your processing and complete the video creation. Finally, your video is now ready to share or save.